Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Polygon and see what is going on. And let's go on our own chart, which I think it was from crypto.com. There we go. If you remember, the last time that we talked about Polygon, I think we were right around these areas, and I was saying it is still safe to assume that this is a descending channel, and because we are having constantly overlapping of the waves, I'm hoping that we are going to get a break of this pattern on the upside, meaning we go above the higher band of the channel, do a pullback, and then a continuation of the move up in order to take this high. Now, in Polygon, right in here, about 21.8 cents, I actually opened a long position because I think this move up can continue a bit more. Why is that? You see, in terms of classic technical analysis, meaning support and resistances in Polygon, after breaking this important level from H4 time frame in this region, I don't believe that we are having above us a whole lot of strong resistances until somewhere around the 25.8 to about 26 cents region, until the lower band of this important level. So for now, my base case is that in Polygon, we are going to continue this move on the upside and reach to about here, and then we are going to pay very close attention to what is going to happen in this area. If we get a very strong rejection from this level and go down and take this low, that's not going to be good. If we have a consolidation pattern in here and then one more move up, that is going to be an extremely optimistic sign, indicating, you know what, probably in Polygon, the final low is already in. For now, I can tell you, the fact that we got a break of this descending channel is a very, very bullish sign. And in the short term, let's go on 15-minute time frame. Okay, let's much more. There we go. So what do we have in here? I can say maybe this is 1, this is 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into wave 3, correction for 4, another move up into wave 5, and we can have maybe some moves on the downside. But this is very important. If we are bullish, and I do suspect that we are indeed looking in here optimistic, this move must be very slow and choppy, which is a characteristic of a correction structure. And I'm hoping that on a higher degree, basically we are going to have in this area a 1, 2, and what's going to happen next according to this scenario, we are probably going to continue our uptrend into wave 3, 4, 5. And again, because in here I'm not really seeing a whole lot of strong resistances, I'm thinking this move on the upside in Polygon can continue for another 15% in order to reach to about here, and then at that point I am going to get out of my short-term long position. So overall, at the moment in Polygon, I'm thinking we are definitely looking optimistic, and please be open to the possibility of having a very short-term move down. But there's probably nothing to be worried about. This is going to be just a correction, and after it's over, we are going to continue this move up. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Polygon. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time with your family and loved ones. Goodbye.